Hello everyone and welcome to another Smart Arts Weekly Challenge video. My name is Jake and today we'll be doing the final challenge prompt for this month, that word being puppy. You all know what that means? One of my puppies are going to get painted today. Yeah. So coming into this piece, I knew I wanted to make a drawing of my little wiener dog Leia. With the word being puppy, I knew the exact piece that I actually wanted to make. One of the cutest pictures I have of Leia was when she was a puppy. She climbed into her toy box and was just resting her head on the edge of the box. It is one of my absolute favorite pictures of her, and I knew I had to paint that today. So with her being almost an all black dog, it was really hard to make this piece not become super muddy with how small I was making it. But in the end, I was really happy with the outcome of how she turned out. But I am going to be quiet and let you all enjoy this, and I will see you all at the end with the final results. Alright everyone, that is it. Our completed piece using the word puppy. I think this turned out absolutely adorable, but you're gonna have to let me know what you think down below. Now don't forget about the other weekly challenge prompts. If you don't know where they are, check the back of your brochure. They're gonna be right on the bottom corner there for you. And make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss videos like this one where I try to tackle these challenges myself. And if you enjoy my work, make sure to check me out over my personal channel over at Naughty Egg Draw. The link's gonna be down in the description. But that is all for today everyone, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!